Hello, hi, and assalamu alaikum. And he wrote so many short stories, and the most dominant theme of his short story was youth, despair, and age. He was famous for his depiction of the jazz age, which was quite dominant in the 1920s. And this novel, Great Gatsby, is one of the brilliant novel of that age. Fitzgerald has a very strong romantic imagination, and he once called it a heightened sensitivity to the promises of was not so successful, and his marital life is also quite much celebrated as his novels are. Talking about the Great Gatsby, first of all, let me tell you about the characters. So इसमें जो characters है हमारे पास, उसमें सबसे पहला जो character है वो है निक कैरावे, जो कि narrator है. And Nick Carraway moves to New York, and he becomes involved with Gatsby, Daisy, and Tom. Jay Gatsby is another character. ये एक mysterious character होता है, and he's the neighbor of Nick, and he's in love with Daisy. And in order to impress Daisy, he throws quite lavish parties and invites many people to that. Next जो हमारे पास character है, that is Daisy Buchanan. Daisy Buchanan is the cousin to Nick. Nick की cousin है, और Tom के साथ इसकी शादी हुई है, और ये भी मतलब रोमांस करती है Gatsby के साथ. Tom Buchanan is the husband of Daisy Buchanan. He's a very wealthy man, and he's also suspicious of Gatsby. The next character is Jordan Baker. Jordan Baker जो है वो Daisy का friend है, और एक professional golf player है. The next character is Myrtle Wilson. ये Tom की mistress है, and she is killed in a car accident which involved Gatsby and Daisy. The next character is George Wilson. George Wilson is Myrtle's husband, and he believes that Gatsby was the one who was involved in killing his wife. Okay. The next character is Mayor Wolfsheim. Ye Gatsby like Gatsby and Daisy start a secret relationship, but things get disturbed and messy when Tom, who is the husband of Daisy, he gets to know about this affair, and then he confronts Gatsby. Tom जो है वो गेट्सबी की इलीगल एक्टिविटीज़ को एक्सपोज करता है और इससे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स जो है वो सामने आती है। ड्राइविंग के दौरान ड्यूरिंग ड्राइविंग डेजी एक्सीडेंटली किल्स Tom's mistress Myrtle Wilson, and she's actually in Gatsby's car. After the accident, Gatsby takes the blame to protect Daisy. He makes this sacrifice for Daisy. Tom tells Myrtle's husband that Gatsby owns the car, and this leads to a very tragic ending. Gatsby is shot by Myrtle's husband and gets